Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. So as you know, being a successful content creator on YouTube is becoming more and more popular. There's plenty of reasons to do just that. These are a few that stood out for me. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. Working back to number one. My top reason, number three, to be a content creator on YouTube is that after you upload your videos, they'll work for you 24/7. Now this falls more in line with those of us who have products that we offer through links in our description. 24/7, even while we're sleeping, our audios and videos can bring in the traffic that we need. It can bring in those incomes that we've set up. Some of you right now listening and watching this, you put in those investments. I want to encourage you. Those things will begin to bring back big gains. We don't give up, because after you upload that video, we work 24/7 for you to bring in those gains, those subscribers, those clients. So what I've learned to do in my channel, I've learned to not get discouraged when I may upload a video. I remember one time I uploaded a video, it got half the amount of views that it usually would get, and it took about 3, maybe 4 months before it reached that right target audience and started jumping up and getting those views. So think about that. After you upload it, it'll begin to work for you 24/7. And even if it takes 3 or 4 months, that video, those links in your description, your message, your passion, your things that you're sharing in that video, it will work for you even when you're not working, because you've already put in the time. That is the beauty of having a YouTube channel. That is the power of being a content creator. I have this affirmation that I say, I'm becoming an excellent money manager. My money works for me right here on YouTube. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe, become a part of the family. Love to have you here at Next Level. You have the opportunity to share your passion, your purpose, the things that you enjoy doing. You can share that with the world, no matter how extravagant it may be. There's somebody out there who will enjoy that and connect with that, just like you. Sharing the gifts that you have. Even myself, I'm a recording artist. One of my gifts is music. I might want to share that passion with you. You get to share all of that. So think about that in your channel. What's some of the things that you enjoy doing? Being a content creator, being a YouTuber, and the fact that we can advance every part of our life to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it. To the next level in our business mindset, YouTube, being a content creator. We want to go to the next level in everything that we do. Mindset, next level mindset. And out of all of the years that I've been doing things online, sharing my work, sharing my business, I haven't seen anything like YouTube that gives me the opportunity to share what I'm doing with the world. My number one top reason to be a content creator on YouTube is it's free. The reason they do it for free is because they have an opportunity to use your content to bring in ads for them. Think about the rising costs, everything going up, inflation, and all these things. Free sounds pretty good to me. Just like starting a business, investment is really in yourself. That's why I put it like that. I've invested in ring lights, I've invested in microphones. As you continue to grow in this journey, you'll begin to invest in certain things for your channel. But the main thing is, it doesn't cost anything to get started. You can do it for free. That's a great reason to get started. Be a content creator right here on YouTube. The main thing that's going to cost you is maybe some time, your effort, your energy. You can get started with your iPhone. You can get started with what you have. And a lot of people see all of the other content creators. I used to think the same thing when I relaunched my channel in 2021. I relaunched my channel and I was thinking, I wonder if I'm too late. Everything was starting to take off. I started seeing other channels and I began to realize, you know what? As long as there's passion in my heart, as long as I have something that I want to share, it's never too late. One of my favorite sayings is that it's never too late to do the right thing and you're never too old to follow your dreams. So just go ahead and get started. Get started. Let me be an example to you that it's never too late. You'll never regret it. Now, I do have some extra bonus points. I told you I was going to share something. It deals with the idea of experimenting. A lot of things that I might say over here on my channel may not necessarily work for your channel. There's a lot of things that you're going to pick up from different content creators who may share different ideas. Be willing to experiment, because not everything that works for one channel will necessarily work for the next one. So experiment with different things. You may have an intro, you may not want an intro. You may want to do something that I did earlier, just coming in with a certain, just to hook certain viewers. Figure out what works best for you. That is what has helped me on my journey in my YouTube channel. I had to really decide what works best for me, because not everything that works for everyone is going to work for you. So experimentation with the idea of being a YouTube content creator. Maybe you're watching this and you've already decided you're ready to do this thing. You've got the reasons to be a content creator. You don't need any more reasons to get started. Maybe you're getting a restart. You already made your mind up and this thing is for you. Check this video out right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.